Thanks for joining us here on a Friday afternoon. We have a severe thunderstorm watch that has just been issued by the Storm Prediction Center for all three Oklahoma Panhandle counties. That goes until 10 o'clock this evening, and storms are going to be developing here over the next couple of hours, as you can see on future radar. Again, they'll initially be in the Panhandles, but then they might try to make it into far northwestern Oklahoma. Places like Woodward could see some storms as we head toward 9 o'clock this evening. But watch what happens as we get closer to midnight. The storms kind of fade away, so we don't think they'll make it to central Oklahoma for tonight. Again, any storms this evening could be severe. The chance of a tornado is low, but we can't rule it out. Hail and wind are possibilities for the far northwest, but again, the storms are expected to stay rather isolated later on this evening. Tomorrow, the winds will be strong once again. It was windy out there today. We're talking about wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour for many areas tomorrow out of a southerly direction. You combine that with lower humidity behind the dry line, and that's a risk of fire weather for the northwestern portions of the state as we get into tomorrow afternoon, especially as the winds increase out there. Further east, we have more moisture. The dry line and the cold front pushing east, that's going to lead to a risk of severe weather. It's a level 2 out of 5 on the scale. It includes the Oklahoma City Metro and Norman. So let's take a look at future radar starting the clock at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That's the time of the spring game. Notice not a lot going on, but here shortly thereafter, storms will begin to fire up and then kind of isolated to scattered in nature through tomorrow night. And then on Sunday, we think the storm chance is really going to focus across southeastern Oklahoma. And this yellow shaded region is where the best chance of very heavy rainfall is to occur. Notice multiple rounds of rain as we go through Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening and Sunday night. Total rainfall amounts for most areas will be very light, only a few hundredths of an inch, but then very heavy rain amounts, 1 to 2 inches. Locally, higher amounts are possible further to the southeast. Your 7-day forecast shows a pretty warm day tomorrow, but it's going to be windy, storm chance during the evening hours, and then Sunday will be cooler, rain possible, especially in southeastern Oklahoma. The rest of your forecast shows rebounding temperatures as we head toward the latter portions of next week, with highs returning to the 80s.